delighted to be a part of this evening. I don't know what everybody has said as the night went on, and obviously those of you who are here, we're speaking to the converted, and you all probably feel like everybody else that we would like for what has been proposed not to happen as it's been proposed. And I suppose what we need to do is speak to those that are not here and make them aware that it's not progress we're against, it's destruction. And we're going to sing one now, you'll all join with us. We couldn't finish the night without the poems. I've just stepped in to see you all. I'll only stay a while. I want to see how you're getting on. I want to see you smile. I'm happy to be back again, to reach you big and small. For there's no place else on earth just like the homes of Donegal.
I've come to see your happy faces, smiling at the door. And see them all, 'cause I won't come home. And see the tears please God, I'll soon return unto the